Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here to the power key button my fingerprint. As can you see, I can unlock the device right now, and now I'll just make a couple of tries. The five tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast and how useful this unlock method is on our Motorola Edge 30 Pro. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, I just with a really simple touch, I just simply touch the power key button here on the right side. I can unlock the device less than in half of seconds, I think. So I just think that the unlock method, like the fingerprint, is really useful, and it's work really fast on our Motorola. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like some methods like the pin code or the pattern, you can just set up here your your fingerprint, and just always be sure that this the power key button and your whole fingers, they are clean, just to unlock your device successfully and more fastly. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.